Ever wondered what the secret ingredient is for a thriving service-based business? It's not just about offering a fantastic service. It's about getting people to believe you offer a fantastic service, even before they've experienced it themselves. And in today's digital landscape, one of the most powerful tools for building that belief is something you might already be using: your Setmore reviews. Think about the last time you were looking for a new restaurant, a reliable plumber, or even a skilled hairstylist. What's one of the first things you probably did? You scrolled through the reviews, right? You wanted to see what other people were saying, to gauge their experiences, and ultimately, to decide if this was a business you could trust with your time and money. Your potential clients are doing the exact same thing. They're searching for businesses like yours, and when they land on your Setmore booking page or website, those star ratings and glowing testimonials are often the deciding factor. They're the digital handshake, the word-of-mouth referral in the online world. But simply having reviews isn't enough. You need to actively cultivate them, showcase them effectively, and understand how to leverage them to build unshakable trust. So, how exactly do you turn those little snippets of customer feedback into a powerful trust-building machine? Let's dive in. First and foremost, make it easy for clients to leave reviews. This might seem obvious, but it's a crucial first step. After a successful appointment, don't just assume your happy clients will automatically think to leave a review. You need to prompt them. Setmore offers several convenient ways to do this. You can enable automatic review requests that are sent via email or SMS after an appointment is completed. Personalize these messages to make them feel genuine and appreciative. A simple, "Thank you for your recent appointment. We'd love to hear about your experience. Click here to leave a review," can go a long way. You can also include direct links to your Setmore review page in your follow-up emails, on your website, and even in your email signature. The fewer clicks it takes for someone to leave a review, the more likely they are to do it. Next, respond to your reviews, both positive and negative. This is where you truly start to build trust. When you receive a positive review, take the time to thank the customer personally. A simple, "Thank you so much for your kind words. We're so glad you enjoyed your experience and look forward to seeing you again soon," shows that you value their feedback and appreciate their business. Responding to negative reviews is even more critical. It demonstrates that you're listening, you care about customer satisfaction, and you're willing to address concerns. Acknowledge their feedback calmly and professionally, even if you disagree with some of it. Offer to take the conversation offline to resolve the issue. A public response like, "Thank you for bringing this to our attention. We sincerely apologize that your experience didn't meet your expectations. Please contact us directly at your email or phone number so we can discuss this further and find a resolution," shows potential clients that you take complaints seriously and are committed to making things right. Showcase your reviews prominently. Don't bury your glowing testimonials on a hidden page that no one ever visits. Make them visible. Embed your Setmore review widget directly on your website's homepage, services pages, and booking page. This allows potential clients to see social proof right where they're making their decisions. Consider featuring a testimonials section on your website where you can highlight some of your best reviews. You can even curate specific testimonials that address common questions or highlight particular aspects of your service. Use your reviews in your marketing materials. Don't limit your reviews to your website. Share snippets of positive feedback on your social media channels. Turn them into eye-catching graphics or short video testimonials. When you're talking about a specific service, include a relevant review that backs up your claims. This adds credibility to your marketing efforts and helps build trust with your audience. Monitor your reviews regularly. Keep an eye on your Setmore review page and any other platforms where customers might be leaving feedback. This allows you to stay on top of what people are saying about your business, identify any recurring issues, and respond promptly. Set up notifications so you're alerted whenever a new review comes in. Encourage specific feedback. When you're asking for reviews, you can gently guide your clients by suggesting areas they might want to comment on, such as the professionalism of your staff, the quality of your service, or the overall experience. This can lead to more detailed and helpful reviews that provide valuable insights for potential clients. Understand that not all reviews will be perfect. It's inevitable that you'll receive a less than stellar review at some point. Don't panic. As mentioned earlier, how you handle negative feedback is often more telling than a string of perfect 5-star ratings. A thoughtful and professional response can actually build more trust than a flawless record, as it shows you're human and committed to continuous improvement. Be authentic. Don't try to fabricate reviews or pressure clients into leaving only positive feedback. Genuine reviews, both good and bad, when handled correctly, build the most authentic and lasting trust. People can often spot fake reviews, and this can severely damage your credibility. Building trust takes time and consistent effort. By actively managing your Setmore reviews, responding thoughtfully, and showcasing them strategically, you can transform customer feedback into a powerful asset that attracts new clients and fosters long-term loyalty. Your reviews are more than just star ratings. They are testimonials to the value you provide and the relationships you build. They are the voice of your satisfied customers, speaking volumes to those who are yet to experience your services. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.